This is a terrific company. My name is Robert Weinroth, and again, I am running for property appraiser here in Palm Beach County. First of all, the reason why I am running is because I feel my experience will enable me to be a leader and the advocate that this department needs. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been here for 20 years. My wife and I have a business in Palm Beach County, a medical supply company. I'm an attorney. I moved here, as I said, 20 years ago. I was in New York as a litigator for AIG. I worked in their insurance division, personal auto. When I got down here originally, I was a management consultant. And what I was doing was, I was going to small businesses and I was looking at them and seeing where there were opportunities for savings. And again, when you're looking at a small business, you're looking at people that have a sub-S company where that money is their money, anything that becomes profit. And we would identify for them areas where they were able to come up with savings and make more money or make money when they hadn't made money for a long time. So between my legal experience, my management consulting experience, and then being a small business owner myself and dealing with customers and understanding that if we don't treat our customers correctly, courteously, and listen to what their needs are, they're not coming back. And there's no reason why when you go to a county department that you should feel like just because it's the only place you can go, they can treat you as they want to. There's no reason why county service needs to be an oxymoron. There is a need for transparency. There is a need for better service. The people going up there report back, and anecdotally, as I've been going around the county speaking with people, they're telling me what they're feeling when they go to that department is that they're not getting all the information that would help them understand how their properties were assessed. And again, it's supposed to be fair and equitable. That's the standard. All of us want to know we're going to pay our taxes, but we want to know that we're paying the right amount. We want to know if we think that that value is not the right amount, we would like to be able to sit down with someone who has the expertise to explain to us why our feeling is not right, so that we can go out of there, again, comfortable, thinking that we are paying the right amount. So that's one of the reasons why I'm running. One of the other reasons I'm running is because I feel that we have not made a real hard effort at fighting homestead fraud. Now, homestead fraud is an area which has been dealt with very aggressively to the south of us in Broward. So just to give you a little statistic, down in Broward, over the last 7 years, they have run 70,000 cases through their fraud unit, and they've identified over $5 billion of real estate that was on homestead that shouldn't have been. That has returned over $53 million back to the county in liens and collections. Now understand, that's not new money, because the budget is the budget. And if someone is taking an exemption, like homestead, that they're not entitled to, that means you and I are paying more. So that is one reason why I'm feeling that we should, again, change the methodology of that department. The other thing is, just because the department is independent doesn't mean it should escape scrutiny. And when I'm elected, the first thing I'm going to do is invite the Inspector General into that office. That's not compulsory. And it's up to the constitutional officer to talk to the IG and make a decision whether they want to proceed and enter into a separate contract. I think after 20 years, it's time for someone to look independently, make sure everything's efficient. My name is Robert Weinroth, and I hope you will consider me on April 14th, the property appraiser. Thank you.
Thank you.